Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. It's me, MESARASTARR, and happy Monday to you. I hope you guys had an amazing 4th of July. Mine was super busy, so I wasn't able to do a video yesterday. I'm so sorry about that. It was a very busy day. But anyways, I'm here at Bath & Body Works today, and I wanted to go ahead and see what they had for semi-annual sale. And you guys, I was totally surprised. So the 75, this was all 75% off on, let's see, I didn't come yesterday, so Saturday, because today's Monday. So Saturday, this had, filled with some, the 75% off products. And these are, it's now down to a little movable table because I asked where everything was at, and they said, because I was surprised to see that everything is sold, and they said that somebody today came and a customer came and purchased a lot of stuff. So I was sad to see it all gone. It's almost all gone, but that is, like I said, I wanted to get more soaps and I waited too long. And so I did buy some soaps today, and I will do a little haul at the end of this video. But yeah, I wish that I had, I waited too long, and I guess I should have bought my soaps earlier. All right, let's go ahead and look at the Wallflower refills. These here are still $3, and there's quite a bit left of the Wallflower refills. I'm still waiting to get some of these because I just am holding out hope that they drop down in pricing. Brazilian blue waters, lots of fresh balsam. Yeah, I'm hoping, but it's kind of like I'm not sure because, like I said, I really wanted to buy a bunch of the foaming hand soap, and it was all the foaming hand soap was missing, not missing, but sold, except for the Sunshine and Lemon. So anyways, so let's keep going. Sorry, I need to stop dwelling on my hand soaps. All right, you guys, over here is fall preview. So they have the candles, the new fall candles are over here. And, I know that I've showed this in past videos, so I'm just going to quickly go through here. Oh, you guys, I did find some new room sprays today. So I'm going to go ahead and show you that in a moment. And also some new fall hand soaps. So that's exciting too. So yeah, I just want to quickly show you this, the salted butterscotch. I want to get this. I already got salted butterscotch on the semi-annual sale at 75% off, but I almost went through the whole thing. So I do want to get another one. I love that one. There's the pumpkin vanilla cream. That one smells like Cheetos to me. So I won't be getting that one. Yeah, it's another associate and I were chatting, and it does smell like Cheetos. All right. Mahogany apple, love that one. That is mostly, I don't really smell apple in that. It's mostly like men's cologne scent. It smells really good, like spicy. There's leaves. One of my all-time favorites is leaves. Pumpkin pecan waffles. There's also pineapple pound cake, more flannel, cranberry woods. And there is, okay, that's so cute, right? The cranberry woods packaging. That's precious. I love it. I just wish that they had made the wax to match a little bit with the colors of the labels, but that's okay. Pumpkin apple is so darling. I love that one. One of my favorites. Okay. These are $3.95. These are the new ones. All Wallflower fragrant refills. By the way, okay, so here's pumpkin apple, the perfect autumn. Love all these leaves. Oh my gosh, I love leaves. It's so good. Yeah, leaves is amazing. And I want to show you the keynotes in this one. It really is a strong thrower as far as the candle goes. It's, let's see, crisp. Okay, I couldn't read that. Sorry, guys. But I don't know if I've ever had it in a Wallflower refill, though, but I definitely have had it in several candles. It's really one of my favorites. Okay, so I just want to quickly show you this because I showed some of these in my video the other day, but this is new blackberry and basil. It says fruit and happy, or fruity and happy. So these are some of the new Wallflower refills, champagne, apple, and honey. Actually, I don't know if all these are new, actually, because I'm recognizing some of them, but some of them are like lavender bergamot. I believe that is brand new. And then over here is going to be the autumn woods. So there it is. And then let's see if I can read this back to you guys. Let's see. Dark walnut, English lavender, and I think white amber. Cranberry woods. I want to try that one out. I love the name. And if it smells like cranberries, oh my goodness, right? Okay, so and I love that purple refill color. I think it's really nice, like jewel tone. Okay, we have, let's see. Okay, I can't read that back. I'm sorry. So I really can't. It's just too hard for me. Okay. All right, guys. Over here is some more. Let's see. This one is Comfort. What is that? Comfort, Vanilla, and Patchouli? Vanilla and patchouli. Yeah, Comfort, Vanilla, and Patchouli. There's cinnamon stick. I love cinnamon stick. Oh my gosh. It's a candle in the winter or Christmas time that's called Holiday. Is also basically cinnamon stick. I love that one. Okay, this one here is so pretty. I just want to show you. It's kind of new. Not new. I mean, it's been around a while, but I thought it caught my attention. I thought it was really pretty. That like brushed like brass. It's really gorgeous. And then over here is your $10 off. This ends today. So $10 off is the last day. Again, today is Monday. So leaves. I love leaves. Okay, pumpkin clove. So I want to show you this quickly as well. There's mahogany apple, more leaves, marshmallow fireside, and cranberry woods. Down here, more marshmallow fireside, mahogany apple. So I'm waiting for more fall candles to come in. I can't wait. This is was like this just a few days ago, so I just want to quickly show you what's happening on that table. Okay, so here's some new fall hand soaps. So this is exciting. So there's the blackberry and basil, new packaging, I should say. And that's really adorable, right? The little like shovel, the little like gold shovel right there. Really cute little fall hand soaps, blackberries, sparkling champagne, and basil. And some new pocket backs, 5 for $8. There's Perfect Peony right there. And then they have so many cute ones like Garden Harvest. And let's see, Spread Love Not Germs right there. I didn't pick that one up. I wish I did. I wanted to read the keynotes on that one. And then this one is really cute as well, White Tea and Sage. Really cute. And then I turned it over and I see it says bottle made with 100% recycled, I think products is what it said. And then I was like, that's excellent. And then Wild Lavender Mint, I want to try that one out too. So yeah. Oh, recycled plastic, made with 100% recycled plastic. Excellent. Okay, Sunwash Citrus, I thought that was an interesting color. Like, kind of gives me a 70s vibe, right? I love it. Like, the whole packaging looks kind of 70s. I really like it. And that is Sugared Lemons, Juicy Pineapple, and Mandarin. So lots of cute little new soaps there. Wild Lavender, Mint, Leaves, and Sea Spray for the Wild Lavender Mint. Okay, I go back to this in a moment, but look, oh, it's kind of sad, you guys. 75% off. Okay, 6 for $26 or 4 for $20. This is the regular soap sale right now. And then I'm back over here. I wanted to show you this. So here it is. Okay, so that vase is $11.25. So really pretty. The Champion is still there, not much. Tiki Bay, all the Waikiki's gone. Everything's gone. Endless Weekend, Firecracker Pop, lots of that. And over here is some Nourishing Lip Tint and a couple anti-backs, pocket backs there, and some lanyards. That's it. And then, okay, so over here is the 50% off little table here. Some berry waffle cones still there at 50% off. Some antibacterial hand sprays and some, Honolulu Sun pocket backs there. There's your Black Cherry Merlot. And one mint chocolate chip milkshake. It was still 50% off. And some more vanilla coconut right there. Lots of vanilla coconut, actually. And there's the back side of that vase. I wanted to show you it a little bit closer. Okay, so over here is, the $10 off candles. These are some new fall ones. And so I just want to show you those. And so, yeah, $10 is the last day today for the sale. So I can't wait to see what the next sale will be for the candles and how much it'll be. I'm curious, There's a stress relief. Oh, I want to show you this one. I showed this when I was at Bath & Body Works a few days ago. This is so beautiful. The rhinestones are really nice touch to it. I love that one. It's so, like, glitzy. Very pretty. And some more $10 off here. And, yeah. Also, where am I going with this one? Oh, there's Cozy Cashmere. Not one of my favorites, as I mentioned in a previous video. It isn't for me, but it's very beautiful packaging. Now, I love the this one, pumpkin vanilla cream. Now, doesn't this one orange look a little bit different than the other? Those two, I don't know. I think is the orange. Is it just me? The candles look a little different as far as the shades of orange right there. It could just be my eyes playing tricks on me. But yeah, down there, salted butterscotch again, autumn woods. And I love that like emerald green. It's so pretty. I just wish the wax was like, you know, green to match. It'd be really, really pretty. But still a beautiful candle. I like the simplicity of it. And then over here, okay, we're about to see some new fall room sprays. So yeah, right here, you guys, look at this. This is so exciting. So I love seeing new things. Sweater weather right there. So it has like kind of looks like Lake Tahoe to me. It reminds me of Lake Tahoe. I live about 2.5 hours from Lake Tahoe. So yeah, that's $8.50. Marshmallow Fireside. Isn't that beautiful? It has like a sunset in like the trees. It's so pretty. So it all has like a nature look to it. Fresh fall morning. I mean, you could see like the look at that, the sun rays. Leaves. I love leaves. I just love leaves. Okay, so there is that beautiful like autumn scene right there. Like a fall scene, $8.50. And then there is pumpkin apple. Now, isn't this darling with the little apples all over it? It's so cute with like the red apples. I really like this packaging on that one. Very, very adorable. Now, I already have this one, the sweet cinnamon pumpkin, but I want to show you guys. It's so cute with the pumpkins. I love that one too. I love them all. Also, I found Vampire Blood. So exciting to find that. This is adorable. This packaging is so cute. Again, very Victorian looking. It has that wallpaper effect to it. Super cute. Super cute. I love the silver accents on it, the bat being in silver, and really, really darling. I am loving it. And then down here is some more new fall scents. Our packaging, I should say, new packaging. There is Midnight Orchid. And actually, I don't know if that is actually new, like a new scent. It's like a marble bottle there. And there's also the lavender vanilla. And I'm not quite sure what that is supposed to be. Like an abstract something, I think. And then this one is going to be, this is really cute. Let me see, which one did I grab next? Oh, Crisp Morning Air. That's a good one. More marble effect. And then this one's really cute. I like this one a lot. Champagne Apple and Honey. Isn't that cute? I like that like wood effect. It has like it looks like it's kind of like made of wood, like wood. I don't know how to explain it, but it has like that like wood paneling effect. And then White Tea and Sage. That's kind of like an abstract too. It kind of looks like lace a little bit, I think. $8.50. Like a little lace on there. And then I was trying to see if there's any new fall scents over here. But no, I didn't see anything new over there. And here is a table dedicated to sunshine and mimosa. So this is all sunshine and mimosa. So I wanted to show you what's happening on this table. And then this looks interesting to try. The body scrub. Looks really nice. Foaming Sugar Body Scrub. And yes. And now let's see where I'm going next. I can't even remember, retrace my steps. Oh yeah, more of the fall candles. And then I was heading over here to see if I can find any new pocket backs over here. Didn't see too much new, but Sunwash Citrus is right there. I think that's a new one. And, the single wicks right there. This is, new, pretty new. Cactus Blossom as far as the new packaging there. That's pretty cute, right? With the gold accents and the little, emblem on the front. Then Cucumber Melon's really cute. Look at that. I like all the gold accents to these bottles. Champagne Toast, that's my favorite one. The look of that, it's so cute. All right, friends, so I hope you guys enjoyed this little walkthrough video of the semi-annual sale, what's left of it at this store. And stay tuned. I'll be right back with what I ended up getting today at Bath and Body Works. All right, friends, I'll see you in one moment. Hi friends, so I want to go ahead and show you what I ended up getting from Bath & Body Works today. I actually am going to be filming my Michael's Grab Bag unboxing in just a minute. So I want to go ahead and get this video up first, and then go ahead and do my unboxing video, and I'll post that later tonight. So I can't wait for you guys to see. I'm so excited to see what I got. I have no idea what I got. So anyways, let me go ahead and show you what I ended up getting today. So I got 3 things, and I'm actually wishing I bought more. I just bought soaps, you guys, but they didn't have any more of the foaming hand soap. Only they had in foaming hand soap was this, the Sunshine and Lemons. And see, so they, like I said, the foaming hand soap was like really nothing much left. So I just went ahead and got Sunshine and Lemons. I'm excited to have it. This is, I'll read you the keynotes. It is yuzu, it says, grapefruit, and sun rays. I love their descriptions, and sun rays. So anyway, so I paid $3 for it. And I think the person that came today shopping, who bought a ton of stuff, that one customer, she probably bought a lot of hand soap, I'm thinking, because there was like nothing left in foaming but just this one. Now, but what I'm trying to say is that I wish I went and got, I'm going to go back tomorrow and get more soaps, or order them online of the soaps, because I do want more of these soaps that were in the summer collection. So I did get Boardwalk Vanilla Cone, Gentle Gel Hand Soap, and so like I said, I prefer foaming hand wash versus the Gentle Gel Hand Soap, because to me this goes faster than the foaming, but I love them both. But anyway, so this one's Marshmallow Fluff, Vanilla Bean, and Creamy Caramel. So I'm gonna go ahead, like I said, check it out tomorrow, Bath & Body Works, to see if maybe they got more in, or you know what I mean. But I'm also going to check online to see if any of these soaps, I think that I saw some of the soaps online for $2.50, so I might try that too. But I want to definitely get more soaps on the semi-annual sale. And then I got one more Boardwalk Vanilla Cone. It's so pretty. I love this like bubblegum pink. I'm not sure if it's showing on the camera as well as it does in the store, but I just love that with all the little ice cream cones on the front. It's just so pretty. I just love it. So I spent a total, so that's all I bought. But like I said, I'm going to check back and see, you know, if they maybe got more soaps in. The only other option was Blackberry and Basil in the Gentle Gel Hand Soap. And if that's all they have tomorrow, I'm going to probably get more, because like I said, I do love Bath & Body Works soap. It is my very favorite. And so here it is, my little collection. And here is what I paid. So I paid a total of $9.70. Tax was 70 cents, so each soap was $3. I saved $13.50, again $9.70, so under $10 for these 3 beautiful soaps. Anyways, guys, so stay tuned for my Michael's Grab Bag or Grab Boxes unboxing. That's going to be posting later tonight. I still need to unbox them and see what I got, all the goodies I got. But thank you so much for being here. And if you're new to my channel, I would love if you would subscribe. And my returning family, thank you once again so very much for being here. And with that being said, I'll see you very, very soon. All right, guys, take care. God bless. I'll see you real soon. Bye for now.